Please stand and pay silence for the welcome of our guests of honor, the national anthem of the state of Kuwait, followed by the national anthem of the Federal Republic of Germany. Thank you. By the Ambassador of the Federal Republic of Germany to the State of Kuwait, His Excellency Freiherr von Reibnitz. After we cut the cake.
Your Excellencies, Your Excellency, the Minister of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Khalifa Abdullah Al-Askar, the Undersecretary of Defense, Dr. Abdullah Mishal Al-Sabah, Ambassadors, friends of Germany, ladies and gentlemen. Ahlan wa sahlan jami'akum. Welcome and thank you for celebrating the 34th day of German unity with us. أرحب بكم أجمل تحية وأتمنى لكم أمسية جميلة بمناسبة يوم الوحدة الألمانية. It is an honor to see you all gathered here today. I feel like in a German Divania. I will hope that you will not accuse me of cultural appropriation, but I have come to appreciate this very special Kuwaiti custom since assuming my office in this very, very special country. At the outset, I would like to thank Your Excellency for your most valued presence, as well as their Highnesses, the Amir, the Crown Prince, the Prime Minister, for their continued support. We are also deeply grateful to His Excellency, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, and all our colleagues in his ministry who work with us on a daily basis to deepen our relationship. I know there are a few of you here. Thank you for coming and honoring our invitation. Today, we live in a time of escalating crisis, affecting many places of this world, and in particular, the region around us. At the cost of thousands of human lives, destroyed livelihoods, and ruined perspectives of future generations, the rule of force and retaliation seems to prevail. On a daily basis, we are witnessing the creation of new days of remembering based on acts of violence committed by human beings against other human beings. We should ask ourselves why we seem to give in to this vicious circle. I see the day on both sides of the Iron Curtain, suffering for too long, from separation and the corresponding lack of freedom, stood up to change the world. And Germans from east and west brought down the wall, and eventually the post-war order. On the 3rd of October 1990, we accomplished unity without a single shot fired, peacefully and in unison with all our neighbors and in full recognition of the United Nations. On our day of unity, we celebrate peaceful change instead of war and destruction. We are remembering the victory of reason and humanity against the rule of revenge. This is why this day is so important for Germany, for Europe, and maybe for the world as a whole as well. Please allow me to say just one sentence in German. Liebe Landsleute, lassen Sie uns unseren Tag der Einheit auch dafür nutzen. Es ist unser gemeinsames Erbe. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the challenges we all face in this world are not diminished. They might be concealed by the horrible news from Gaza or from Ukraine, but they are there. Climate change, energy and water scarcity, issues of just distribution of resources, to name but a few. Addressing the challenges in a just and regulatory framework with respect for the rule of law remains making the European Union a global player. And based on the conviction that only unity within and partnership with others can make a difference, the United Germany strongly supports the forging of a closer relationship between the European Union and the state of Kuwait. Let us work hard on this. Ladies and gentlemen, last year in my speech on the same occasion, I announced a year of celebrating 60 years of diplomatic relations between the state of Kuwait and Germany. Since then, we enjoyed great cultural events. Ambassador Marafi will remember, discussed the future with young Kuwaitis, organized business meetings and visits of German MPs and officials. And based on these fruitful exchanges, we are set to sign our strategic partnership document. soon. Inshallah. I repeat, inshallah. At the conclusion of our 60th anniversary year, we are well prepared for an even brighter future of our relationship in the next 60 years. And as every ambassador among you would put it on this page, the future begins now. But before we start to begin working on the future, let us turn to the present. Now, how is this possible, what we are doing today? I can say without the very generous support of our sponsors, this event would not have been possible. Please, I will just show you a good couple of sponsors coming up at the screen now. A few seconds. They will find it. Run a little bit here and see this one or two things we have displayed with 4 wheels on them. That's also very important to see. We are still fabricating cars in Germany. Now, if it's not coming now, I will repeat it later on. Finally, oh, there they are. Please. Okay. Finally, please join me in thanking my whole embassy team. Thank you.
Los mat.